It was definitely one of the hardest and most emotional days of the trial so far. The autopsy technician took the witness stand, revealing photos he took during the autopsy that he performed on Celine in May of 2015, just days after her death. Jurors finally able to physically see what investigators on the case described when it came to her appearance the morning she was found dead. The day Celine Matus Carreno was found dead in her bedroom, she was taken to Yuma Regional Medical Center, where doctors performed life-saving measures. When she arrived at the hospital, the doctors who attended to her says she had a cold body temperature of 80 degrees, stiff muscles, and no heartbeat, but they still tried all they could to bring her back to life.
What was the purpose of these measures?
Just to make absolutely sure that if there was anything we could do to try to resuscitate this young child, that we did, that we tried, that we tried to exhaust any possible measures.
The autopsy technician taking the stand next, showing the photos taken during Celine's autopsy. The images too graphic to show on TV, but revealing chemical burns on her face, one that covered her entire left cheek, and several large spots that ran from her eyelids to her forehead.
What stand out to you with regards to the burns on her face, the nature?
The distribution, so it's a splash, like a liquid. It's not heat from a flame, so it's either a chemical burn or small burn from hot water.
Do you have an opinion as to whether these burns occurred prior to death or after death?
No, they occurred prior to death.
It wasn't only the chemical burns that had any significance, but also what was found when looking on the inside of her scalp.
She clearly has blunt force injury to the head. There's a number of contusions, 10 or so, on the reflection of the scalp. She has bleeding around the brain, so it looks like that's from blunt force trauma.
Photos also revealed Celine had several bruises throughout her body, but still up for the jury to decide if those bruises had anything to do with her death. The emotional trial will continue tomorrow. Head over to KYMA.com for the latest. Reporting outside Yuma County Superior Court, Crystal Jimenez, News 11.
A tough day in court, Crystal, thanks. Well, developing tonight, multiple agencies are looking into the death of an immigrant